Thanks for watching Just Throw in a Bowl for the working cell, and today we are super excited. Guess why? Because we have our first 100 subscribers right here. And we're so happy, and we just want to take the time to tell you thank you so much for all of the support that you have shown us. It's because of you guys that we truly do what we do, and we're so happy and grateful for all your comments, your likes, your shares, all those good things to keep us motivated to do this. It's because of you that we enjoy standing here in this kitchen and making quick meals for you.
And subscribe!
Continue to subscribe, comment, like, and share. We love you guys. Thank you so much. In celebration of our first 100 subscribers, we are going to make a simple, quick, and easy dish. It's just going to be fried fish. All right, let's get this party started.
Let's get this party started.
So first we have our pieces of fish. Obviously you need to have your mix to get the crust on your fish, and what I like to use are 3 simple ingredients, which is a panko, Italian breadcrumbs, and flour. You first want to season your fish with your favorite seasonings. I like cayenne pepper, garlic salt, and then that's really about it. So we have our pieces of fish. I'm going to sprinkle a little bit of cayenne pepper on my fish because I love the flavor of cayenne pepper. A little bit of garlic salt. And I'm going to do it on the front and the back. So I'm going to flip my fish over. Feel free to add some onion powder or try a lemon herb seasoning as well. Now, I love panko. This is about a cup of panko. Some Italian breadcrumbs because it's just so much flavor. You're going to add some flour to it and just mix it up. Alright guys, once you have your fish all nice and battered up, it is a very easy fry. You're going to put it in the frying pan over medium heat for about 3 to 5 minutes on each side, and it really depends on how thin your fish is cut, which will determine how long you cook your fish for. Alright, enjoy. Alright, this has been cooking for about 3 minutes. It's going to get a nice and golden brown. Hey guys, we are super excited. Thank you for everything that you guys do. Your comments, your likes, your shares, your personal inbox messages, your phone calls. It is so motivating to know that there's people like us in this world. We're just your normal people who work and have to eat, and what a good way to do it at home with your family and your loved ones. Thank you so much for the support. I just continue to ask that you hit like, share, and subscribe on our videos. And we are so grateful and so happy, and it's because of you that we do this, truly.